Hi everyone, I am Dr.M.Nithya, Assistant Professor of Physics, the SFR College for Women, Sivagasi. Today we are going to see about classifications of material. Let's move to the topic. So the learning objective of this topic is to learn about the perspective of electronics, biomaterials and composite materials. Identify the current trends in materials, analyze the various application areas of materials and learn the engineering requirements of the materials. What are electronic materials? The electronic materials are material used in electrical industries and electronic and microelectronic industries. Silicon is crucial to the power electronic industry. It is usually engineering to build switch circuits and gates. The many applications of purified silicon include computer chips, transistor, integrated circuits, liquid crystals, display, etc. The semiconductor is another important materials in the electronics materials. These materials used in mobile phones, smartphones, digital electronics, television, washing machine, refrigerator and LED also. Next we are going to see about what is biomaterial. Biomaterials must not produce toxic substance and must be compatible with the body tissues. Example for biocomposite materials are metals, ceramics, polymers, composites and semiconductors. Next we see about what are the composite materials. Composite material is nothing but the combination of two materials with different physical and chemical properties. When they are combined, they create electrical which is specialized to the certain job. For instance, to become stronger, lighter or resistant to electricity. They can also improve strength and stiffness. There are two outstanding composite materials are used for engineering applications. They are fiberglass reinforcing material, carbon fibers. The fiberglass reinforcing materials are used in polyester or epoxy matrix and the carbon fibers are used in epoxy matrix. Next, these are all the types of composite material which we are going to see here. Current trends and advances in material, advanced material, smart material, nanostructured materials, semiconductor materials, spintronic and ferronic condensate matter. Let us see one by one. The first one is current trends and advances in material. In aircrafts, recently prepared new metallic materials in conjunction with the new processing techniques as isostatic pressing and isothermal forging. Powder metallurgy technique used to produce temperature resistant parts. The next applications is advanced materials. High technology applications are sometimes called as advanced materials. The example for advanced materials are electronic equipment which is made from these advanced materials are VCRs, CD players, computers, spacecraft and military rockets. The next one is smart material. The adjective smart implies that these materials are able to sense change in their environments. Example for smart materials, the combined system of sensor, actuator and control circuits are as one IC is one of the example for smart material. The another example for smart material is in helicopters to reduce aerohydraulic cockpit noise. The next one is nanostructured materials. The nanostructured materials are those materials whose structured elements, clusters, crystallities or molecules have dimension in the range of 1 to 100 nanometer. The applications of nanostructured materials are optoelectronic devices and quantum optic devices are using nanostructured materials like nano-sized powders of silicon, silicon nitride, silicon carbide. Next classification of material is semiconductor quantum dots. The semiconductor quantum dots reduced dimensional systems are used in future applications like semiconductor, lasers and microelectronics. The emission wavelength of a quantum dot is a function of its size. Next, spintronics. The study of electron spin in a materials is called spintronics. The spintronic based on the direction of spin and spin coupling. The example for spintronic is the spintronic transistor may work at a faster speed or also smaller in size and will consume less power. Spins appear to be remarkably abrupt and more effectively easily between semiconductors. The next and the final one is fermionic condensate matter. The fermionic condensate matter is a new form of matter called a fermionic condensate matter. The new matter form is the sixth known form of matter. The fermionic condensate matter is a scientific breakthrough in previous, providing a new type of quantum mechanical behaviors. These are all the classifications of materials. Next we will see in the next video. Thank you all.